December 30th, 2019. Quick video from Hurricane Knob. The, let's see, Eagle Rock Loop, the Athens-Big Fork section comes through here, across these ridges. I was over there this morning, can't really see it, it's the further, probably not even pointing at the right thing. And over there is Tall Peak. There's a road that goes up to that. It's the further one with the radio tower on it, microwave tower. In my last video I talked about the guy who got lost. I think it was on Caney Mountain. It's going to be over here somewhere. Buckeye Mountain's one of these further ones, and it's going to be back in that direction. East Hannah Mountain is over there. I think this one here is the tallest one in the area, if I'm not mistaken. But that Eagle Rock Loop comes, one section's through here, and then it winds, the Viles Branch goes that way. Then the little Missouri comes up over through here. Oh, terrible video, sorry. Last night I stayed at Bard Springs, the Adirondack shelter, and I wasn't expecting much of it. It's over in that area. But it was actually really nice, and there was a spring over there. I came in at night, so I didn't see it, and I left before daybreak. But for $8, you get a shelter that was an Adirondack shelter. It's one of the nicest I've ever been in. They did a really good job, and the pit toilets were actually decent too. It's about 50 degrees. My goodness, it's beautiful now. It's really cold this morning. This afternoon or tonight, I'm gonna hike, I think it's that one. I think it's called Slattington Peak or something like that. But I may be off. It may be further over there.